two guys that I never really grew up watching, but I have their figures. So when I first started getting serious about collecting action figures around the age of 11 or 12, it was Demolition. And today I met them. They always been nice to me. I always said hi to them. But I always seem to neglect them for bigger stars. And I always felt bad about that because they are cool. They had a good look. They were big guys, tough guys, and face paint and cool outfits and, rhinestones all over the place. So, everything a kid like me would love, but it just, all those other conventions, like, for some reason, I just bypassed them. And last year, I bypassed them too for Bob Backlund. But today, I made it my business to finally see them. And I even prepaid when I was at the other signing. And they were cool. I told Barry Darso, who was also a Repo Man, what's mine is mine. And what's yours is mine too. So, it was pretty cool meeting them. And I always think it's funny when I see the other people walking around with big ass suitcases or rollaway luggage or big ass brown boxes. They're going to eBay with that shit. So I finally did it. Here comes the axe, and here comes the smasher, the demolition, the walking disasters. So this is Chris Neves signing off. God willing, Wrestling Universe. You'll see me in a couple of weeks. Peace.